Alright, many of you might be wondering why these coil ropes. Yes, each of these coil ropes signifies one cow. Yes, each of it signifies one cow. So it's not easy to belong in this such club if you are not rich. And this club is from Nigeria as well, Igbo land proper. Yes, so not everything you can commit yourself in. You can't belong in what you cannot afford, because this is only for each people. You can see this man is one of the members, and he is doing a party, let me call it a party or celebration, and the member came. Each of the member comes with an ram. Like I said earlier, that each of these coil rope signified one ram. So it's not easy, and at the same time I'm thanking this club. I am also asking God to bless them more, because it's not easy to afford this such, mostly in this kind of situation we are into in Nigeria. So it's not easy. I think one cow now is up to $1 million or $1 million plus. So my kudos, my kudos to this club. It's not easy, and it's for rich.